Google has officially launched the Pixel 10 series, consisting of the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL in August 2025. All three are equipped with the latest Tensor G5 chipset, based on TSMC's 3nm technology, offering a 34% increase in CPU performance and 60% better TPU power compared to the previous generation. Furthermore, the chip supports the latest generative AI named Gemini Nano with over 20 artificial intelligence-based features, such as Magic Q for personalization and AI-based camera features. The Pixel 10 features a 6.3-inch Actua ULED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and brightness up to 2000 nits. Its rear camera has a triple lens configuration, including a 48-megapixel main lens, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. The front camera is 10.5 megapixels. The Pixel 10's battery capacity reaches 4,970 mAh with support for 29-watt fast charging and 15-watt Qi 2 wireless charging. It has 12 GB of RAM with 128 and 256 GB storage options. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL feature a more advanced LTPO OLED display with a dynamic refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz and a peak brightness of up to 3,300 nits. The Pixel 10 Pro's screen size is 6.3 inches, while the Pixel 10 Pro XL is larger, at 6.8 inches with QHD+ resolution. Their front camera reaches 42 megapixels with the ability to record video up to 8K at 30 frames per second. The rear camera consists of three high-resolution lenses, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom and ProRes zoom that can achieve super resolution zoom up to 100x. Their RAM is a large 16 GB with storage up to 1 TB. The Pixel 10 Pro's battery has a capacity of 4,870 mAh and supports 30-watt fast charging, while the Pixel 10 Pro XL uses a 5,200 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging and support for wireless charging up to 25 watts. The official international market prices start from approximately $799 or 13 million rupiah for the Pixel 10, $999 or 16 million rupiah for the Pixel 10 Pro, and $1,199 or 19 million rupiah for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Additionally, Google also introduced the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google's first foldable phone which carries an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and a gearless hinge claimed to be more durable. Its foldable screen is 8 inches when open and 6.4 inches when closed, with a brightness of up to 3,000 nits for outdoor use. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold's main camera reaches 48 megapixels with 20x super resolution zoom. The price for this variant starts from $1,799 or approximately 29 million rupiah. The Pixel 10 series marks a significant advancement for Google in smartphone technology, especially in AI integration, chipset performance, and camera quality, offering a powerful alternative for Android users in the global market.